Crucial how to use. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. First of all, go to the Play Store application and make sure that it is updated to its latest version on your device. So as you can see, the app is updated to its latest version on my device. So all I'm going to do is tap on open. Now the homepage will look something like this. So as I have not created an account yet, so I have to create an account for that. Now you can log in with your Google account, your Apple account, or you can just create an email ID. So here I am going to go for login with Google for more convenience. So it will take a while to give you access, and after that you have to just choose an account that you want to associate with this application. Now make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Then what you have to do is just create your profile. Now just mention your display name over here. Then tap your username. And then you can write your bio, which is optional. So I'm just gonna skip this. You can have a default view on your profile over here. You can also use invite code, which is optional. After that, tap on I understand that Cara is still in beta, have read the Cara about, and these are the terms and conditions. Tap on save. So it will be analyzing your data, and here you have created your account for yourself in the Cara application. So as it says that you need to use your home feed settings to customize what shows on your feed and check out explore for new art and so on. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.